Did you know that you could actually market or affiliate for really high ticket offers or products on impact.com? In this video, I want to show you how you can find really high ticket products that you can make market. Some of these products, they promise you as high as $9,000 per sale as your commission, and it's mind-blowing because that's a lot of money, my guy. So let me show you how you can find these products and how you can affiliate for these products. So the first step is to register on this platform called impact.com. So this is the affiliate marketplace where we are going to find these brands that are promising to pay us $9,000. That's crazy, man. So if you come to Impact, this is the interface you are going to find. There's been a few changes on this interface. So this is an affiliate marketplace. And what happens is that brands, they come here, they list their products, and they are looking for affiliate marketers to come and affiliate for them. So this platform is a third-party platform that combines, they merge the affiliates to the brands. So the importance of this, or the advantage of this, is that this platform deals directly with big brands. So these big brands, they pay, and then they give you more flexibility. They have better cocoa duration than Amazon, and the commission is much higher. So to find very high ticket jewelry programs that will pay you a lot of money, you want to come to this Discover here. So you click on Discover, and then you come to find products. This is where you find all the physical products that are listed on impact.com. So we are going to be looking at the jewelries, because these things, they cost a whole lot of money and people are ready to buy them, and they are offering us a high level of commission to do this. So if you come here, we'll find the jewelry here, and we have necklace, we have rings, we have bracelets, we have earrings, and then we have cufflinks. So let's click on necklace, and you see all the products that are open for you to affiliate around necklace, gold-plated necklace, diamonds, and a whole lot of them. So this one, as you can see, this is $180,000, and you are going to be earning 5% of that. So if you do the math, 5% is around $9,000 in commission for you to affiliate this. That's a lot, but you can see that we have almost 80,000 products right here. So this is another one, $161,000. This is 151, 136. This is 100,000. This is $100,000. This is 118, and a whole lot of them. So let's say we wanted to affiliate for this. You can click on that, and then you are going to see the information about these products. All right. So if you click here, you see that it's 18K with gold large pink opal diamond. So this is a diamond necklace. All right, and these are the sellers or the brand. It says it's grilled. So this is $100,000, and again, you see the estimated payout is actually $2,000, because we are earning 2% on this. Remember, the other ones we are earning 5%, and this is going to be your ad code and then your link. However, before you access this link, you need to apply. So you can come here, click on apply, and you tell these brands why you are the right fit for them, why they should allow you market this product. As you can see, like I said, they have 15 days referral window, which is better, is 14 times better than Amazon, because Amazon is just 1 day, 24 hours. But because these are very high ticket items, people don't just buy them. All right, they go through, they think a lot of things, they compare and all of that. So you can see this is a leading marketplace for streetwear and luxury fashion. So for you to apply, you can come here, write why you want them to join, why you want to join. So I'm going to put a template in the description of this video, the kind of template I use to join programs like this and get almost 100% acceptance. So you can basically use that template if that works for you. So you come here, you write why you want to affiliate, and after that you click on this and you can click on apply. So it's going to be reviewed and you are going to be accepted or not. So if you come back here, you can go and see all that. If you come back to jewelries here, you find more things. Let's look at the rings and see. So from here you can even see they have anklets, they have body jewelries, they have bracelets, they have charms and pendants, they have earrings, jewelry sets, necklace. So let's look at watches and see. So you click on watches to see the watches that the watches that you can affiliate for. So this is 94,000, this is 89,000 pounds, this is 94,000 pounds, this is $94,000. This is a whole lot. These are really high ticket items that you can join and affiliate. So you can basically come back and select them by the top manufacturers. You even see Apple, you see Casio, you see a lot of them. So let's say we want to affiliate for, let's say, maybe Apple products. You can click on Apple to see if we have Apple products here that we can sell. So this is a Walmart affiliate program, and these are this is Australian, and basically these are supposed to be Apple watches. So you can join them and begin to affiliate them. Of course, this is if you can push traffic to Apple products or watches. So these are very high ticket offers on impact.com that you can join. So let's look at rings. These rings are diamond, some of them are gold plated and stuff like that, but these are really expensive stuff. So as you can see, this one is 630,000 pounds. That's crazy, man. And then we earn 3% of that, and this is 362, this is 151, this is 144, and so on and so forth. These are high price jewelries that you can join. So let's click on this and see if we can apply. So you can see the estimated payout here is $18,900. Then so we are getting 3%. Of course, these are very high ticket items, which means that the conversion will be low because not a lot of persons can afford this, and you really need to have a high level of priced audiences or traffic to convert this. But if you do and you have been looking for the products to affiliate, this might just be the best options for you. So you can see the availability here is in stock. It was last updated in June 12th. So you can basically click on this, copy this link and go and see. You can open it in a new tab, but you come here, you can see this is the ad code. This is a code that you can put on your website. When you get approved, you can copy this. This is going to be your tracking link. Once you get approved, you get this link. So to apply again, the process is completely the same. So you come here, you click on this one, has a 30 days referral window, which means people have 30 days to buy this product after clicking on your link. Again, you can come here, write why you want to be a part of this program. I'm going to put a template in the description of this video. Check it out. You can fine tune it to meet what you want to do, and then click on apply, and then you can apply. So let's just have a look on the product. So again, this is a product and these are the sellers. So you can see this is a platinum set. So it's a flawless diamond ring, and it costs 630,000 pounds. All right, it says it's a original RRP. I don't know what that means, but you get the point. So this is how you can affiliate for high ticket jewelry items, or how you can join high ticket jewelry affiliate programs using impact.com. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video if you think it helped you, and subscribe. I have videos. I like impact. I talk a lot about impact, about e-commerce, about affiliate marketing, about legitimate online business opportunities for you. So subscribe and watch out for my next video. I'll see you. Peace out.